Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a marketer, a content creator, or you just love making videos, you know AI video generation holds incredible promise. But let's be honest, translating that promise into reality hasn't always been the case. And we know the big hurdles have to do with achieving true realistic results without spending a whole lot of time on prompting, which in turn burns through your money because in that instance, when you have to prompt a lot, then you have to spend a whole lot of credits. Just recently, I was consulting with an ad agency on this very issue. And what it was is they had promised their clients that they're going to use AI video generation in creative ways, but the results that were coming out were not realistic. And so they were spending a whole lot of money and not getting the results that they could present to their clients. So I know this is a pain. And trust me, I burned through a whole bunch of credits too to get the exact output that I want, which costs money. So that's why there's always a big buzz when there's a new video tool or one of the main known ones like Kling AI has a major update, like they've done now with the recent 2.0 update. It just brings in a whole lot of anticipation because we all want realistic content. So the big question is, does this new version 2.0 finally address those core challenges for creators like us, marketers like us, content creators like us, advertisers like us? Because it's not about creating the content for play. I mean, we're talking about content that we're presenting to clients. It's got to be on point. So what exactly is Kling upgraded in this 2.0 version? And from what I've seen, they focused on more natural character movement, better interpretation of complex scenes. And when you actually check it out in comparison here, it says Kling AI 2.0 represents a significant upgrade over Kling AI 1.6, offering enhanced video generation capabilities. So the breakdown of the key differences are improved prompt adherence, enhanced dynamics and aesthetics, multi-element editing. You know, they have all these things here, which pretty much just point to that the video should be much better now when I render it. You look at the key differences, when they summarize both of them here, you see it pretty much says Kling AI 2.0 has a lot. Just looking at the whole table compared to 1.6, you don't even need to read all these things. You could just tell like 2.0 is supposed to be a huge upgrade. Now, I've seen different clips online. Like as you can see here, I'll go to this user on Reddit that actually posted a video comparing both of them. And as you can see here, the prompt says a beautiful Japanese woman wearing a black leather strap dress is at a party. She gazes at the camera. And so I'm going to play it here. The first part of the video is Kling 1.6, which is what you're watching here. And it'll switch in a minute now to 2.0. This is still 1.6. That's 2.0 right now that it's switched to. So a lot more movement. Even her pose is like different, as you can see. And I got to tell you, there are just tons of clips like this that I've seen. And I'm like, you know, I got to put this to the test myself because you don't know if these people have actually rendered these clips just to look a little bit better or they've spent more time on prompts. I just want a straightforward prompt for both. That'll show me the difference. And that's what I want to put to test here. So not going to go too hard on it, but just not going to go easy. We're going to add a prompt that's designed to have motion, to have detail, to be professional for like an ad campaign, a sleek, banging ad campaign, like a smooth, good-looking ad campaign. Because with these upgrades, we should be ready for commercials on TV, pretty much. So this will give a true sense of what's possible with the new Kling 2.0. I am Dr. Mayo with BizCrown Media. Let's dive in. So here we are under the video generation tab in Kling AI. And as you can see here, we have Kling 2.0 Master, which is the new one. And then we have Kling 1.6, which is what we've been using before. And again, it says even better dynamics and prompt adherence, and then stunning visuals. So I'm going to put my prompt in here. And as you can see, it's a stylish mixed ethnicity woman with warm brown skin, soft wavy dark hair, and striking almond-shaped eyes. Steps out of a sleek black car in front of a luxury hotel at night. Golden lights reflect off her red flowing gown as paparazzi cameras flash in the background. So wonderful scene for like an ad campaign, wonderful scene for like a music video, wonderful scene for a movie shot. it fits all those dynamics. Because we're talking about reality. Because you look here and you go, this is a lot of fantasy. This is a lot of creativity. This is not reality, which in the real world, a lot of our ad campaigns or content that you create for like a client or to generate income really falls under the realistic one. So we're going to check out the details. We're going to make sure that we actually look at our outputs and see if all the things that we've put in here will render as we want it to render. So as you can see here, it's Kling 1.6 now that we're going to try first at the Pro mode. And as you can see, that's 35 credits for a 5-second render that we're going to do here. And let's check out the outcome of our renders here. So here's the first one. We see the black car, slick car. We see the lady, and you look at her, she does look like she's of mixed ethnicity, warm brown skin. Of course, she's a lady. It shows the soft, wavy, dark hair. I see that there. Striking almond-shaped eyes. Those are big eyes. She steps out of a sleek black car. So we see all that there. The luxury hotel's probably in the back. Golden lights reflect off her red flowing gown. We haven't seen that yet as paparazzi cameras flash in the background. So we've seen a good amount has been covered in 1.6. Now let's see her getting out of the car. And there it is. She's getting out. She looks good. She's walking. Oh, and then it stops. Okay, let's see. That's the hotel in the background. That's paparazzi right there. And she just got out of the car. Now, the way the car door shuts is not as realistic, but you could totally miss that, in the whole equation because the character's pretty much captured right. And so what we're going to do then is try the same exact prompt in version 2.0 right here. And I'll show you the outcome of that. Now, one thing you'll notice is as you go to 2.0, right away, you see that it's 100 credits. It's no longer 35 that I generated, or was that 30 over here? Oh, 35. So it's now 100 credits. So to whom much is given, much is expected is what I'm going to talk about here. So let's do that now and check out the output from 2.0. All right, so here we are. The first scene, we see the paparazzi in the back, we see the hotel, we see the black car. There's a lot covered. We don't see the lady yet. She's still in the car. As you can see, I can see her there. So a good amount is covered here. So let's play. Okay, she's getting out of the car in not a realistic way. As you can see, that is not realistic. As in these current times, we can't get out of our cars like that I know of. So, but a lot is captured in detail because she's walking. It's a quite brisker, quicker walk, a lot of swag in this walk. And you see the paparazzi in the background. But the only thing that I see here that would have just made a huge difference was if her getting out of the car was realistic. And that's why I wanted to test this, especially with no negative prompts being added there, because I've seen, again, so many clips and you're so excited. Like, whoa, let me go check it out. And then you do this and now I've burnt 100 credits. Now I could probably, if I stopped it here to be creative, let's see if I moved over here, I could probably edit a video and edit this part and make sure the video plays from here because everything from here looks realistic. But the whole video, if this was for a client right now, I can't present it without rendering. And how am I going to know that when I render that I'm actually going to get the output that I want? But I will say it's a huge improvement when it comes to like the fluidity in this. Like, of course, there's a big difference. There's still a difference between this one, the 1.6 render, and the 2.0. But that's it. So I hope this was helpful. At least it gives you an idea of what the outputs could be now and how you could use those renders, even if they don't come out fully the way that you want them to come out. Maybe you could use half of the clip, that's good. But in all expectation, you would want to use your whole 5 seconds after spending 100 credits on that, which costs money. Anyhow, I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. And also subscribe to our AI content creation newsletter where you can get hands-on tips on how to create content easily. Till next time, take care.